how to delete chat history on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your chat history on your Messenger. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Messenger and then you can just press and hold on the conversation and you can see the delete option. But if you delete like this, only your side will be deleted and the recipient will be able to see the messages. So if you want to delete from both sides, then just open up the chat, long press on the messages and then tap on delete and just select the messages that you want to delete. Uh, and you can see delete option at the bottom and tap on delete for everyone. This way messages for both sides will be deleted, but you can see you deleted a message, so you can the person will also be able to see this one. So that's how you delete the conversation on your Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.